looking amazing, bro. Amazing, amazing. What go on YouTube? Today's POV is gonna be, man, I finally put the coilovers on the machine. Car drives so much better with the coilovers, bro. Look at the car, bro. I just use the regular ride that they send in the box. When I get my new tires and shit, I'm gonna lower it all the way down to the proper fitment so it could fit on the car. But I said I'm gonna hop on the highway, bro. And I'm not taking the highway today. I'm gonna take the back road today, and we're gonna chop it up in the V and let y'all niggas know what's really going on. Alright, YouTube, back in the camera, man. Hold on, I want to talk to y'all real quick. It's a lot of shit, man. Alright, so YouTube, man, I know you guys haven't seen me on the camera in a minute, bro, but I took the car to the shop the other day and my lower control arm needs to be changed, you feel me? And my, what do you call that shit again? I can't forget, I can't remember the fucking name of this shit. My rock and pinion, bro. So I gotta change my rock and pinion and my lower control arm, bro, for us to really go crazy in the machine. Cause as you guys could tell, I can't really go too crazy because I need the rack and pinion, you feel me? But what you guys feel, man? I dropped 2 shorts this morning and they went like, I dropped 2 shorts this morning and I got like 1K views on that one. You see what I'm telling you, bro? These people can't drive, man. But ever since, bro, I got these coilovers, bro, it's been the best, man. Police is on my ass. I'm gonna slow down, I'm gonna get out of manual, I'm gonna drive like a regular human being, and then we go from there. You know, cause we're just doing a smart video, man. I haven't seen you guys in a long time, man. Yeah, that's what it is. Not too crazy. I miss making content, bro. I just woke up this morning and said, fuck it, bro, let me just edit 2 reels real quick and just put it on the channel real quick and see what they go for. And they're at 1K views already. So, you know, I miss y'all, man. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, man, and tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, bro. You feel me? Real shit. But the police, as you guys could tell, they're still on my trail right there. I don't know if you guys could tell. This car is loud, gang. I really don't want to drive this car too much. But man, we're still working on the car, bro. You know, it's a work in progress, bro. You know, because I have other stuff going on in the background. You know what I mean? So I'm just getting the little stuff out the way. But I feel like if I had lowered this car any lower, it would have been trouble. I would have been rubbing, because I think I think I had locked my wheel fully to the left or the right, and that shit was rubbing. So, you know, bro. But it feels planted. The car feels planted to the ground. So imagine when I get my new wheels and fix the rack and pinion and everything else, bro. Imagine that, bro. Imagine, bro. Let me know if y'all rocking with the video, man. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and everything. And these roads are terrible where I'm from, bro. I kid you not, man. But this is my first time being in manual since I put the coilovers on, because I've just been chilling ever since I put it on. been chilling ever since I put it on, bro. But it's like a lot of people say, hey, coilovers is blase blase. I don't feel like it's bouncy to me. Downshift. Feel good for sure. So my ass down because I'm not from here, boy. But yeah, man, that's besides the point. I just want to check if it's firm, you know what I mean? Firm, you fuck. Planted to the ground, ready to go. Tell y'all, bro. Telling y'all, planted to the ground, bro. Fuck our springs. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. It goes straight through. That's what the sign said, right? I'm gonna cut that out in case. That's steady right there, boy. As I said, bro, I'm not going too crazy, man. Bro, they've been fixing this fucking road from like 2, 4, 5 years ago, my nigga. But yeah, man, besides that chat, man, the car feels planted to the ground, bro. So when I get lighter tires, bro, and even lighter rims too, you feel me? Because I'm trying to go to the RPF ones or whatever you want to call that shit. That's what I want to go to, bro. So imagine when I get that, bro. Can't load, brother. Can't too load, chat. Can't load the fuck. My guy checking the shit out, man. He's checking it out. Yeah, talk about that thing, brother. My guy checking the car out over there, man. You feel me? Ain't nothing too crazy. Let me know if y'all seeing the road. I want y'all to let me know all these things, you know, man. You can't be so fucking selfish, man. You know what I mean? Let me know what's going on in the chat there, man. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe and everything, man. Just a small POV today. Nothing crazy. Just want to see how y'all doing. And as you guys could tell, I'm working on the car behind scene. You know what I mean? I'm trying to picture how I could change up my content coming up for the next year or so. Yo, the car, dog. Oh my God, bro. Bro, the car just feel like it wanna launch, bro. Imagine when I fix this lower control arm, bro. Yo, gang. Oh my God, bro. And the handling, bro. The handling, bro, is A1, bro. A fucking 1, bro. A1, bro. A1. Remember me telling you that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna cut all that shit out. This road is terrible. Terrible. Here we go. Oh, bro, I love this. Yo, I kid you on that, bro. The car drives so fucking smooth, bro. Bro, only if y'all fucking know, bro. Only if y'all know, man. And also I need some bushings under the, yeah, I need bushings for the I'm lagging. Why am I shit lagging like that? I need bushings for the I'm not gonna fuck with this camera no more. Oh God Almighty, bro. Long shift. Oh my days, man. Oh my days, chat. I'm sorry, man, but the way this car feels, crazy, bro. When I'm as you guys could tell, why do I keep on saying that? Bro, the car drive immaculate, bro, but you know, I'm gonna get this shit lowered the right way with the new tire setups, all type of shit. You feel me? Once we figure that out, we should be good from there, bro. You feel me? But small little POV, man. We're getting the content back to running, bro. We're just working on the car behind the scenes, and yeah, bro, the car feels, cause I haven't drove it, cause I did it yesterday, cause I was recording off my phone, but my phone had ran out of storage. So I couldn't get finish recording, cause I was gonna drop the video yesterday when I did it, but my phone run out of storage, dog, and you guys know that shit go already. So I lost motivation for that shit, and you know, so I said I'm just gonna record today and show y'all. But we both experiencing this at the same time, really and truly. That's coming from under my car. Cause every time I hit a pothole, I hear like ping ping, like, you know. And I'm trying to figure out how to turn my back camera off, bro, so I could show y'all. So I could show y'all the flames, bro. I did not see that, boy. Look at that nice queue over there, man. I did not see that police over there, bro. I saw that nigga late, bro. I caught him. I caught on though. Yeah, I caught on, but I saw him late. Cause I said I wanted to go and fucking flame some pops real quick. That nigga would have locked my ass up, man. But I'm not doing anything that's wild, you know. It's just my exhaust that sounds overly loud, which causing all that problem. But yeah, car feels so amazing, bro. So amazing, dog. Turn, nigga. Like, god damn, man. The car feels fucking Amazing, bro. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Woo-hoo. Woo! There's a slump coming over here. Dog. The car, bro. Bro, I advise everybody tune your VQ and get coilovers or even springs, but the way that this car is driving now, bro, I'd advise y'all to get the coilovers instead of the fucking springs, bro. You feel me? Because it makes sense. You don't have to change your whole struts every time. This is just one whole thing, no homo. Cut that off. This is just one thing you just put on. You can lower it whenever you want. You can raise it whenever you want. It's not here suspension, but you have to take the shit out and do it. So remember that. Do one more pull for y'all boys, man. I'm just in eco map, and it takes the corners pretty good too. Yeah, man. Takes the corners pretty good. Sometimes it be police in here though. Sometimes like right here. They be right there, bro. Don't shift. But yeah, chat, man, I feel like this is where I'm gonna end the video, bro. No pops and bangs today, man. I just wanted to come on here and update y'all and let y'all niggas know that I'm working on the car from behind the scenes, man. So stay tuned, man. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, bro. I think I'm gonna hit 900 subscribers, so we on the road to hit 1K subscribers. So let's get that out of the way, chat. We are 100 subscribers away, bro. I feel like we could do it. We're just gonna drop a couple more videos, and yeah, man. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm bugging, chat. I feel like I gained like 5 more horsepower, bro. I feel like I gained 5 more horsepower, bro, in that machine. Will you believe me? Without further ado, man, as I said, man, I will see y'all in the next POV, man. Make sure you guys stay safe and stay around for another video. Peace.